My name's Fran from All About You Hypnotherapy. As it says on the tin, I'm a hypnotherapist. I help people get rid of their fears and phobias, give up smoking, lose weight. It's been really great to be on the For Entrepreneurs Only. I think the great thing about it for me was being around other people, either who've already been through the journey of going from maybe being employed to self-employed, or those people that are currently doing that themselves, as I've been doing. And just hearing the stories and learning from other people's experience, that it's okay to maybe do something, fail, but then just keep going, have that tenacity to keep going. So I definitely recommend it. The energy and the networking, the connections that I've made have been really, really valuable.